just slicing up some chicken breasts. We're gonna have some chicken fajitas tonight. So I've got a couple of good-sized chicken breasts, boneless chicken breasts that I'm slicing up. You can use boneless thighs. It's good as well. But usually I use chicken breast. You got the pan and the oil heated. We're going to start frying up some chicken breast. I love that sizzle.
What kind of oil do you use?
I've used olive oil. It'll take a few. When the chicken is pretty much all cooked, I'm going to add a 16-ounce bag of frozen pepper and onion mixture. That's a lot of chicken, so I'm going to use the whole bag. And I just add that right on top. And I've got a package of fajita seasoning. I'm going to add that right over the top. I added a little bit of extra garlic powder to the top of the chicken. Maybe a teaspoon. But that's all. I'm going to mix this in. It says to add water on there. I don't usually add water because the veggies are frozen. And as they melt, it'll add moisture. I'm going to put a lid on this. Just bring it up to a simmer and then I'll take the lid off. And just going to cook it till the peppers and onions are done and it'll be good to go. And it only takes a few minutes to cook. They're done. I cooked it till the juices are all gone, and we're going to wrap them up in some flour tortillas and have us some fajitas.
Another good use for chicken.